Today we will be creating a casual look with maximum hold and shine. We will begin by taking our two fingers and scooping out just a quarter size amount of our Power Styling Hair Gel. We will then work the gel into our hair, starting from the outside and working our way in. And basically, we're just going to go ahead and position the hair to our liking. Then we will take our comb and start positioning the hair where we desire. There's no certain or particular way in which you should be doing this. You will just position the hair to your own liking or using the growth pattern of your hair. We will then lock in our desired look or style with our Rolda Extra Hold Hairspray. You don't need much, just lightly spray and reposition the hair to your liking. Always remember to never oversaturate the hair. And there you have it, a casual look with maximum hold and shine, utilizing Rolda styling products.